Hi everyone. I just wanted to check in and give you a little support, verbal support about your Project Censored draft, okay? So let's just be remembering that it is due tomorrow night by 11:59. So I really want you to get something up there, okay? So again, this is draft one. We are going to work on this for about a month, right? We're going to get it beautiful and then we're going to submit it. So what's really important for what you're going to put up there tonight or tomorrow before the deadline is something that we can edit as a group. We're going to peer edit. We're going to make sure that you're getting the who, what, where, when, and why, and that you've captured the story, okay? Plus, I need a live link to your story so that when I get all of these Thursday, I'm able to print everything up so that we can all have, a hard copy to work on. And so I'm gonna do kind of a round table thing where we all take turns reading them, okay? And Dave Patterson from the library, I think, is gonna come too. So I think we're just gonna power this out. And just please remember, this is the first draft. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? If you're worried about whether or not, you're using a good word for something or any of that, like let that go. Just get the summary there and get me the link and try to, follow the format as best as possible. All right? But make sure you have something to have worked on in class. Okay? All right. I hope you guys are enjoying the process and I'll talk to you later. Bye.